Hi everyone, it's Doug from Beyond Territory, and I just wanted to show you one of my dioramas that I made a little while ago, but I haven't put it on my channel, so I thought I'd take you on a little tour. It's a city dwelling. I've got my beloved salamanders attacking through a city, burnt out. Coming for a little squad of aggressors. Some posters on the wall. Quite cool, you just download them and print them off. And inside, it's a flame effect, an attack going on. Some nasty Necrons. The other side, the Necrons moving through the city, facing a wall of flame. I'll just put some additional layers so it can be playable if wanted. Some removable pieces. Alright, I'll put some photos on. Hope you like it. Catch you soon. So first of all, I gathered all my scrap bits and a hot glue gun and all the equipment I needed and went through all my bits box. Started by building a crater with an old broken rhino. So I used bits of XPS foam and I also used polyfiller just to join it in together. Then I began to assemble the walls and think about the layout. I wanted it to be a narrow building with multiple layers that you can see through. So I thought about the walls, the widths, and started to assemble it. And this is foam core card, which is really cool stuff, easy to manipulate, cut with, and many of my builds I use this stuff. It's top stuff. As it was starting to come together, I began to add in larger pieces of fallen debris, broken floors, adding in toothpicks and bits of wire to look like reinforced concrete blocks breaking, added in points of interest as well. So I started to add in sands and gravel, varying thicknesses, just to kind of make it a little bit more war-torn, broken, not just chunks of concrete, thinking about this place has been left dormant for a little while, it's still being fought over. So I thought about how to make it look more battle ready, adding in my different sands, adding in little bullet holes or explosions in the walls, making it a bit more rough and ready. And then base coated it in black just to bring it all together, layer it into one colour so I can then build up dry brushing and other colours and points of interest into it. From that point on, it was adding in some details. So I bought some barrels, some boxes, thought about what the enemy would be doing coming out of tunnels, what the line of sight would be, and making alterations to what I needed. And then began painting, adding in greys, adding in washes, and then dry brushing on top, and it starts to piece together. And just to finish it off, I thought, wouldn't it be cool to have a flamer going through this tunnel burning out the Necrons? So I made my LED light flame effect, and because the walls are quite high and narrow, it creates a nice cast dark area, so the flickering light looks really cool in the dark, piercing through the night and eliminating the Necrons, obviously. Cool, there you go. I put some more photos on at the end, and yeah, I hope you like this one. A nice little quick video showing you what I've been up to with my fun little dioramas. All right guys, take care, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you soon.